Alright, guys, today we're going to somewhat redeem ourselves from last week, where we were making the music sound as if it was coming out of a car with the windows open, or down, rather. This week we're going to make the music sound like it's coming from a car with the windows up. So what basically happens is all your treble, we learned about that a couple weeks ago, which is your higher frequencies. Can't really get through solid objects too well unless it's really loud. But the bass tones absolutely can, just because they're a lot flatter, they can cut through it. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and drop a lot of your higher tones down, or you can add a less treble effect to the entire music file. Just whatever you want. If you want to get real specific with it, you can go into the AU graphic equalizer. But for today, we're going to pick the faster route and go into, well, first of all, let's hear what it sounds like beforehand. Obviously, you can hear some bass going on here. Alright. And what you're going to want to do is go ahead and drag on less treble. So that kind of does it for us, but we are going to want to go in here and turn the amount up a good amount. Go ahead and drop down the volume a little bit. And that sounded pretty realistic right there. A lot of bass, or a lot of bass compared to not a lot of treble, and you should make it sound like it's coming out of a car with the windows up. Thanks guys for watching.